Hello and welcome back to lesson 33 in the creation of our school management system with the JFOS IT Service Academy using Microsoft Excel and Word. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to receive the notification and watch that video. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends to also benefit from. Don't also forget to drop your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to check the description of this video for more of our video links on how to create a school management system without any stress and without any problem. All right, so without wasting much time, let's just dive straight forward into this lesson and begin to do our cell reference. We want to refer these particular headings here to this particular Emis data table here so that it can be visible in Microsoft Word for printing. So let's quickly begin to do that without any stress and without any problem. So please make sure that you watch the video from the beginning to the end and make sure that you pay attention to everything that we will do in this video. Okay, so we are starting straight away with KG1 here. So we are going to refer all these headings here to this particular Emis data table here. We are referring everything to the student Emis data table here. Okay, so let's just insert our equal to sign here like this. Then we are entering for the male, the female, and then the total for KG1. So let's just select this like this, then we hit enter. So we should be able to have the one there. Okay, so let's move to the female. You press the equal to sign, you select this like this, you hit enter, we have 0 there. You come to this one here, insert your equal to sign, select the total here, press enter, then we have it there. So let's quickly scroll to KG2. Let's quickly scroll to KG2 here like this. So we have the male here. Okay, so to cut everything short, to make our work very simple for us, let's just come to the KG2 here, insert your equal to sign. Let's come to the student detail here, so KG2 male. So let's quickly do that without facing any challenge. So we are doing that for KG2 male like this. So just hit enter, then we have it here. So your equal to sign like this, then we go to the student detail sheet here. So KG2 female like this, you hit enter, then we have it. Okay, so your equal to sign, then KG2 total. So let's go to the student detail sheet. So like this, you hit enter, then we have it there. All right, so we are going for basic 1. Insert your equal to sign, then we go to the student detail sheet here. So basic 1 male like this, we should have 0 there. Then basic 1 female, you insert your equal to sign, we go back to the student detail sheet, then we get that one to up and running there. So let's insert our equal to sign for the total in basic 1. So basic 1 total here like this, you hit enter, we should be able to get a 0 there. Now basic 2, so let's insert the equal to sign, then we go back to the student detail sheet like this. So we search for basic 2 like this, then we select the male, we hit enter, we get the 0 there. Okay, so we insert the equal to sign, then we go to basic 2 female, basic 2 female here, you hit enter, then we get it there. So now let's quickly insert the equal to sign for the total number of people in basic 2. So let's go to the student detail sheet, total number of people in basic 2. So total here, you press enter, then we have it there. So we are moving to basic 3, insert your equal to sign, then we move to the student detail sheet here, male, you hit enter, we have it there. Then we are moving to number of female students in basic 3. So you insert your equal to sign, then we come to female here under basic 3, then you hit enter, we get it there. Now the total number of people in basic 3, so insert your equal to sign, go back to the student detail sheet, then we select total here, hit enter, then we get it there. Now number of male students in basic 4, so we go back to the student detail sheet here. So let's search for basic 4. Let's scroll to the basic 4 side. Okay, so we have it here, male, you hit enter, we get it there. Number of female in basic 4, so you select, you search for the student detail sheet, so we select females here, hit enter, we get it there. So total number of students in basic 4, so insert your equal to sign, we come back to the student detail sheet here, so total like this, you hit enter, then we have it there. Now let's go back to, let's move to basic 5. Now let's move to basic 5. Okay, so you insert your equal to sign to the student detail sheet, basic 5 male, enter, we get it there. Now basic 5 female, so insert your equal to sign to the student detail, then we come to this one here, we get it there. Then basic 5 total, so equal to sign, move to the student detail sheet, we select total, hit enter, then we get it there. Now we are moving to basic 6 male in basic 6, so insert your equal to sign, then we search for males in basic 6, you hit enter, then we get it there. So female in basic 6 like that, you go to the student detail sheet like this, you select female like this, you hit enter, then we are going. So let's select, let's calculate for the total number of people in basic 6, or total number of students in basic 6. So insert your equal to sign, back to the student detail sheet, then we select total here under basic 6, then you hit enter like this. So we have it up and running there. Now basic 7, insert your equal to sign, back to the student detail sheet, select male, hit enter, we have it there. So female in basic 7, so insert your equal to sign, we move to female here, hit enter, we get it. So we want to find the total number of people, or the total number of learners or students in basic 7. So insert your equal to sign like this, come to this side here, then we select total from here, we hit enter, then we are good to go. Now let's quickly move to basic 8 here. Good, so insert your equal to sign, then we move to the student detail sheet here, select male, hit enter, we have it there. Then let's go to basic 8 female, so insert your equal to sign like that, we come to this one here, then we select female, basic 8 female, hit enter, we have 0 there. Good, so let's find for the total number of students or the learners in basic 8. So total here, select it, hit enter, you have that one there. So we are moving to basic 9. Good, we are moving forward, we are moving forward. Okay, so insert your equal to sign like this, then you go to the student detail sheet, let's search for basic 9. So basic 9 male, you hit enter, we get it there. So let's move to basic 9 female, so insert your equal to sign like that, then we go back to the student detail sheet here. Please pay attention to all that we are doing. You select this one, hit enter, then we have it there. So basic 9 total here, insert your equal to sign, back to the student detail sheet, you select the total here, hit enter, then we have that one to the. Now we are moving to the totals, the totals from all the classes, from all the genders that we have, and then the grand total here. Okay, so let's just select this one, the equal to sign, then we go to the student detail sheet here, so male total, so we are going for the male total, so select this one like this, then you hit enter, then we have the one here. So let's go for the female total, so insert your equal to sign, let's go back to the student detail sheet like this, Then let's search for female total. We hit enter, then we have it there. All right, so let's find for the grand total here. So let's just insert our equal to sign like this. Then we go back to the student detail sheet. So let's search for grand total like this. Let's select it. We hit enter. So we should be able to have all this here. So we should be able to have all these here. So anything that we are doing on the student detail sheet here, it should be able to reflect inside the student Emis data table. Anything that we enter into this particular table here must be able to reflect inside this particular table here, so that we can be able to print it out without any problem and without any stress. So the next thing that we are going to do is to select this. Let's select this, then you press and hold Ctrl on the keyboard, select it like this, select all like this. We want to give it some kind of formatting. We want to change the text alignment, the font style, and some things there. Okay, so please make sure that you follow the same step so that you can also do it without any stress and without any problem. Okay, so you select it like this, you press and hold Ctrl on your keyboard, select this one, select this one too, select this one, this one too, select this, and then this one. So let's just go to text alignment. So let's align this one to the center. So I think we are done with this one too. We are done with this one too. So let's just press Ctrl S on the keyboard to save our work. So click on OK. Good. So we have our work saved there successfully. So let's go back to the student detail table there. Let's just enter something and let's see what is going to happen in our system. So let's go to basic 9. Okay, let's use a different class, basic 2. So basic 2 like this, then the gender should be female. Sorry, the gender should be female. Then basic 2 again, basic 2 again, then the gender should be male. Then basic 3 like this one should be basic 3 like this, then the gender should be male again. Then let's go to basic 1, let's go to basic 1 like this, then the gender should be female. Okay, so let's just hit enter. Let's go back to the student Emis table. We want to see if all those things that we have entered into this system, we want to see whether the calculation is being done by the system or is still waiting for us. So let's see what is going to happen here. Good. So we have kg1 here, 1 male, then the total is 1. Then basic 2 here, 1 male, 1 female, so the total here is 2. Then basic 3, 1 male here, 0 female, so the total is 1. Okay, so it means the system is just doing the calculation for us without any stress and without any problem. So the total male that we have here is 3, then the total female we have is 2, then the grand total is what? 5. So let's just check from the top here to and see what is happening. So we have the same thing here, female 1, total 1, female 1, male 1, total 2, male 1, then female 0, total 1. So it's just wonderful. So let's see the grand total here. So the grand total here is 5, the male total is 3, the female total is also 2. So basically we are done with this 1 2. So let's meet in lesson 34. So thank you very much for watching this video till our next lesson. I say thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to receive the notification and watch it. Don't forget to make sure that you share the video with your friends. Please share with your friends to also benefit from us. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 34. Bye bye.